Here we have the railroad crossing located on Wharf in Hudson, Quebec. This crossing is located on the XO Hudson line. The first signal is a clamp style base, 2 pairs of Western Colon Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights, a Woodings railcar bracket, and the best part, a Union switching signal teardrop bell. This crossing is a 3rd generation one. See, 3rd generation. Over here, second signal is another clamp style base, 2 more pairs of Western Colon Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights, and no bell. Just into a ditch. Here's looking towards Regard, which is past station completely abandoned. And here's looking back towards Vaudreuil. The line is active to Vaudreuil. Okay, that's it for the Wharf Railroad crossing. And over here is the relay case for Wharf. Here's the old AMT emergency information, which is outdated because the AMT is now called XO. And there's the crossing again, with the back of the teardrop bell.